Before I get started on the show, I gotta tell you this. The Char Griller Barbecue Wars Tour videos have begun. If you missed the last video that went up on the channel, we went to Dallas, Texas, a place called Pecan Lodge, and they had these collard greens to die for. And I said I would kill for this recipe, right? Well, somebody sent it to me. Can't tell you who, it's a secret. But I'm doing it soon, be ready. I'm gonna be doing those collard greens, and we're gonna do it together. We're gonna see, is that the same ones I had on the other episode at Pecan Lodge in Dallas, Texas, or not? I can't wait. But in the meantime, we're gonna do spicy honey balsamic drumsticks. Are you guys ready? Wipe your mouth and let's do it. These are my favorite type of recipes. It's mix everything together, marinate the meat in it, and cook it and eat. The best recipe. Garlic. I've got some red pepper flakes, honey, balsamic vinegar, soy sauce, brown sugar, beautiful chicken drumsticks. So the recipe down below is a single recipe for 6 drumsticks. I'm doing 12, so you'll see twice as much in this bowl. But remember, single recipe down below. And I'm eyeballing everything today. I am the laziest guy I know. So I'm gonna mix up this balsamic vinegar. I don't even know if balsamic vinegar needs to be mixed up. Man, I love this stuff. This stuff's great on salads. It's beautiful to marinate in. Ugh. Every time I use my honey, I put the lid back on. It sticks tighter and tighter. Here we go. I love this stuff. Ooh. A little bit of soy sauce. A little bit more soy sauce. Just a tad bit more soy sauce. Now, thankfully, you're not going to be drinking all this marinade. This marinade has honey and it asks for some brown sugar in it. But you're going to get very little on the chicken. Here's my favorite part, really. Red pepper flakes. Whoop. Hold on. Gotta go take some of those out. Okay, so I couldn't get all the red pepper flakes out. As soon as it hit the liquid, it just dissolved. And it's in there good. So it's going to be spicy, spicy honey balsamic drumsticks. And let's put a heaping thing of garlic in there. Beautiful. Take your whisk, break it all up. It's going to take a little bit. Just be patient. Okay, guys, so I poured the marinade in with the chicken in the Ziploc. Look how beautiful that looks. Can you see it? Nice. All right, so you're going to thank me. Do this trick. Ready? Put it in a bowl like that. In case this bag gets a hole in the refrigerator, you don't want it all over the fridge. I hate cleaning the fridge because juice came out of something. So put it in here. You're gonna marinate this for 2 hours. Every 30 minutes, you're gonna rotate it. Now you wanna take like a big, large cookie sheet, foil it, put a cooling rack on top. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And I got 2 more in the bag. Okay, I have 18. What made me count 12? I have no idea. You want to put this in the oven at 450 degrees, cook until done, okay? Keep an eye on it. Feel free to rotate them if you want. It's all good. While the chicken's in the oven, I'm gonna take the reserved liquid, my marinade, and we'll put it in here and I'm gonna reduce it down to more of a glaze because we're gonna glaze the chicken when it comes out. Now I purposely wanted this charred effect. If you see that a lot of the meat's charred, I want it that way. It's almost like you had it on the grill. Got the chicken out there. We're gonna let that sit for a minute, but let's bring over our reduced. You can see it's really about reduced by at least 70%. Very little left. So I'll start brushing that on right now. There we go. And lastly, we're just gonna take a little bit of green onions. And there it is, guys. Spicy honey balsamic drumsticks. Really? It was that easy? See how beautiful that looked? Unbelievable. All right, here we go. Okay, it's sticky already. I can tell right on my fingers. Like, look, it's stuck to my fingers. Ooh, it's a little hot too. All right, here we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's hot. Oh. What a great combination. And make sure you reduce the glaze part. That's like the most important part. It just drinks it up. So give this a try, guys. It takes minutes to make. Takes about 2 hours to marinate. Piece of cake. Then you just pop it in the oven and chow down. All right? You guys, let me know what you think, and I will talk to you in the next episode. Take care. Bye-bye.